walked in light. He healed the broken, gave us sight. He took our pain, he knew our loss, then gave his life upon the cross. He died for me, he died for you. His love is strong, his love is true. He rose again, he made us free. Jesus lives, he lives in me. When I feel weak, he makes me strong. When I feel lost, he shows the way home. His grace is near.